warning for southern Washington County and east central New York until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hartford, or 8 miles east of Hudson Falls, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hudson Falls, Salem, Fort Edward, Cambridge, Greenwich, Kingsbury, Porter, Schuylerville, Argyle, Cosayuna, Dunham Basin, Potensville, Smiths Basin, Center Falls, Goose Island, Adamsville, East Hebron, Rexley, Tiplady, and Middle Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, New York,